1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello friends, today we are going to discuss on the topic resistor. So in this topic we will be discussing how to find the resistance of the resistor. Okay, before going to that, let us know about the prerequisite knowledge. So resistor is the material which opposes or which resists the flow of electric current. We have learned already. So these resistors are of two types depending upon their value. Means one type of resistor have fixed value, means according to their fixed value they are divided into different types, and another type of resistors are the resistor which have a variable value, whose value can be changed or fluctuated by rotating the knobs or by different ways. So fixed value resistor, in fixed value resistor we have learned carbon composition resistor, carbon film resistor, and metal film resistor, metal oxide film resistor, wire wounded resistor, and surface mount resistor, SMT. Surface mount resistor we have learned it. So in variable resistor we have learned rheostat, potentiometer. These are the variable resistor, means their value can be changed, means can be fluctuated by different ways. Materials like conductor, semiconductor, insulator, they have different resistance. Good conductor has very less or negligible resistance, that is in pico-ohm, whereas bad conductor has a very high resistance, that is in giga-ohm. Resistance of a material is from pico-ohm to giga-ohm. Okay, so here in a fixed value resistor we have learned about carbon composition resistor. Carbon composition resistor. So in this carbon composition resistor, let me tell you how are the carbon composition resistor. So here, this is a carbon composition resistor, and this carbon composition resistor has the concentric circles around it. Yeah, there are two terminals over here, two terminals over here, and there are some concentric circles in it. Yeah, which are of different colors. So, or you can say there are different band of colors over here. So according to this band of colors, we will know what is the resistance of this resistor. So this the resistance of this carbon composition resistor can be measured by two ways. Resistance, RESISTANC, resistance can be measured by two ways. One is by digital multimeter, digital multimeter, DIGITAL, digital multimeter, and next one is by color coding method. Okay, a carbon composition resistor, a carbon film resistor, or you may talk about metal film resistor. Here in carbon composition resistor there are four bands of colors. Four bands of colors are there, but whereas in others there are five bands of color also. The process is same. Here I am talking about carbon composition resistor. This type of resistor generally we use in lab while doing the practical of electronics in bachelor level or master's level. So here it is very much important. According to this color, how we can code, how we can find the resistance of this resistor. Okay, we have discussed already. There are two ways. Let me tell you, there are two ways. One is by digital multimeter. By digital multimeter, how you will find the resistance of this resistor? By digital multimeter, you just, in a digital multimeter there are two probes. So join the two probes to two ends of the resistor, then the reading will be shown in the multimeter. Then we can know the resistance of this resistor. And next method we are going to discuss on color coding method. Color coding method. Okay, color coding. During color coding you should know how many colors occur. Especially you have to see first band, first BAND, or sometimes it may be written as first digit, and next one is second digit or second band. You have to see first and second band, and then multiplier will be there, multiplier, multiplier in third one. Let us know the table, then we will, if you understand this, then it will be easy for you to calculate the resistance. And the next one is tolerance, tolerance. So let us see one resistor over here, this one. We have seen it. There are, I have told you, we are talking about 4 band color resistor. In some there may be 5 also. The process is finding the process of finding the resistance is same. Okay, there may be 5 bands also. In some, in the lab we have seen most of the 4 band resistor, means carbon composition resistor. So you have seen it here. Here you can see gold or silver. Gold and silver should be placed on right hand part and catch it in this manner. You have seen here in this resistor, here is a golden part. So in golden part or silver part, you have to place it in right hand side. You have to start seeing the colors from left. Understood? So in first there is a red color, and then also red color, then also red color, then silver is there. Sorry, gold is there. So you have to catch in this manner and start calculating the resistance. So for that, let me draw the resistor over here, and it will be easy for you. So we have seen this resistor here. Here is a golden part, GOLD, gold color is there in this resistor. This one is red. This is also, next band is also red. This one is also red. Okay. Okay. So this type of resistor is this. I have shown you over here. This is also red color. This is also red color. So we have to hold this from the, and see, hold this resistor with the right hand, following the gold color or silver color. Silver or gold color will always come at the in part. From there you have to catch it from, and from left part you have to start seeing the color. So this is a left part, and this is a right part. I have hold here with the hand. I have hold here. Or at first black color won't come. In first black color won't come, and in third also black won't come. In third also black won't come. Okay. Now from brown, let us start writing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if brown comes, 1 should be kept in first digit, and if red comes, 2, orange comes 3, yellow comes then 4, green comes then 5, blue comes then 6, and violet comes then 7, grey comes then 8, white concentric circle at first comes then 9. You have to keep. Okay. And in second digit, if these colors come in second digit or in second band, what should be the digits kept over here? Similarly, from here also 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means if black color comes at second, you have to put 0. If brown comes, 1, and so on. Okay. And after that, a multiplier. Means if brown color comes in third, if brown color comes in third, I have told you in third black color won't come. If brown color comes, then it should be multiplied with 10 to the power 1. If red color, if red color comes, 10 to the power 2, multiply with 10 to the power 2. Similarly, 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power 5, 10 to the power 6, 10 to the power 7, 10 to the power 8 and 10 to the power 9 up to here. And gold and silver won't come in these three bands, especially they won't come in three bands. And next part is tolerance. Tolerance means this resistance may have certain resistance, 2 ohm, 5 ohm, it may have resistance, and that resistance can vary from 5 ohm to some few more ohms and can vary from 5 ohms to few less ohms. Means certain ohm between around 5 ohms, this tolerance will be there. Means it can tolerate that capacity. So it can range from certain ohms to certain ohm. Means by how much percent we should know it. So tolerance, what happens if gold color is there at last, that means if fourth band is gold color, then its tolerance will be 5%, plus minus 5%. It will fluctuate, just the resistance may be 5% more than the resistance of that resistor, or that may be less than 5% of the resistor. And next one is silver. The silver tolerance will be 10%. If there is silver color at last, then tolerance will be 10%. Means that resistance of that resistor may be greater by 10% or less by the 10%. That is the tolerance. And other tolerance is quite less. Okay, generally this also brown also it have 1%, it have 2%, other has less than 1%. That's why I haven't written over here. So these are tolerance of the resistor. So let us consider over here now how to calculate it. Here in first, second, third, these two colors won't come. Let me tell you, this is a carbon composition resistor. It consists of concentric circles around it, with the help of which we can find the resistance of this resistor. So, or we can say there are different bands of colors around it. So what are the different band of colors that arise over here, that may be over here? They are black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold and silver. So accordingly we have to calculate the resistance of this resistor. So if in the first band black one come in first band, I have told you, if brown comes put 1 in first digit. If in second band, if these colors come, put this digit. In third band, if these colors come, you have to multiply by this. And if in the fourth band, if these colors come, if these colors come, then you have to, their tolerance will be fluctuate by plus minus 1%, 2%, plus minus, less or greater than that resistance of a resistor. Okay. Or if there are 5 bands, then if third band is also there, then there also you have to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9. You continue it and follow the same step. Nothing different is there. Okay. Now let us find the resistance of this resistor. Especially in this resistor there is a red color. If there is in first band is a red color, then what you have to put there? 2. Yeah, I am finding the resistor, the resistance. Resistance of this resistor. There is a red color, means you have to put 2. In first band there is a red color, no? If it is in second band, there is also red color, means if there is red color in second band also, you have to put 2. 2 are same. And next one is the multiplier. Third one is multiplier. So third is how much? Red. If there is red in third, what is the multiplier? 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 2 ohm is the resistance of this resistor. That means 22 into 10 to the power 2 means 100, you know it? 100 ohm. That is equals to how much? 2200 ohm. This is the resistance of the resistor. So this is the resistance of this resistor. Okay, let me rub it. And you know, at last there is a gold color. At last there is a gold color, means its tolerance will be 5%, means plus minus 5%. means it may vary 5% more or 5% less than this value. Its tolerance is 5%. So what is the resistance of this resistor? Especially R equals to resistance equals to how much? Resistance will be how much? 2200 ohm plus minus 5% tolerance. It may be less than or greater than 5% of this quantity. Means there will be a fluctuation, there may be a fluctuation of 5% about this value. Okay, that is only the tolerance. Okay, now let me rub above one. Now can you tell me what is the resistance is 2200 ohm of 5% means what will be the 5% of this? 5%, now let us calculate 5% tolerance. Let us see the tolerance. Tolerance, let us find it. 5% of 2200 ohm equals to how much? 100 will go 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 11, 110 ohm. Means the resistance may increase or decrease by 110. That means resistance, resistance, resistance will be how much? 2200 ohm is there. It may fluctuate, means plus minus 110 ohm. That means how much it will be? It may be less than. It means resistance will be how much? If you add 110 in this value, how much it will be? 110 means 2310 ohm to 2 means it may be, if you add it, it will be this much. If you subtract it, then it will be equals to 2090 ohm. So resistance of this resistor varies from 2310 ohm to 2300 to 2090 ohm. Means it has a tolerance between these two. This means 5% means this. So you have to understand tolerance means. Okay. Is there any confusion? Resistance of this resistor is 2200. Resistance of this resistor is 2200 ohms. But the tolerance, if there is a gold color at last, the tolerance will be 5%. Means 100 to 10 ohm. It may be greater or less than that. That means if you add 110 in this, it will be 210 ohm to this much ohm. Means if you convert this in kilo ohm, then you have to divide it by 1000. That means 2.31 kilo ohm to 2.09 kilo ohm.